all to this adolescent empowerment program.
We have gathered here today and reminded of a beautiful quote by George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel. Welcome, dear parents.
So an orientation. I want to have a small event in enhancing our students here of now 9th and 10th, isn't it? Guilty feeling, anger, unresolved feeling, they are not necessary, and that is why we are having a lot of thoughts.
ತುಂಬ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗಿ ಮೇಡಮ್
ನಾವು ಪೋಷಕರ ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಗೆ
ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಸೆಷನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ.
Continue to come for this program. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೇವೆ having your office work
These sessions have been very helpful to you, at least to make you aware of the teenage problems.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮುಖ ಈ ಹಳೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ವಾದ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅರಿವಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಓಕೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು 6ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 7ಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಭಜನೆ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಟ ಹಾಡಿ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷವಾದರೂ ಆ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೊಸದು ನಾವು ಹೊಸದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಗೆ
I'm happy to see all of you in a big number this morning. I really did not expect that all the parents would respond positively to the invitation that we had here at Central School. Please visit. Full of thanks.
Saying thank you is more than good manners. It is a good spirituality. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy and people lose their confidence. So to overcome from all these situations, we need
Just keep trusting the Lord, and He gives me a song.
We have gathered here today. I am reminded of a beautiful quote by George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel.
How are you all? Happy to see you all back again for the academic year. How many of you have seen this? All of you have seen me. I have seen you. So taken to you. But few topics were taken for you. But what
Self-esteem.
What are the other topics you were given? Very good. Say loudly.
Goal setting.
Very good. Goal setting.
Yes.
Okay, very good. What type of responsibilities you were told or you remember that you have learned? Under which topic?
I did not have that kind of confidence, but from the start, I still may know it. First time, after I read the session,
He used to be very narcissistic. I didn't think about anybody else, but after the leadership and the review of others and all, I started to think about others, and now that I look back, I have changed very much.
gain some confidence to speak, to participate.
Lot of anger.
Okay, you are able to manage now. Now you are able to. Okay, good.
Understanding how we can study by saving time and planning.
Because of our class we were participating. Now all are rushing to participating.
Creative thinking, time management. Okay.
She should have good gestures.
Hearty welcome to you, dear sister.
Adolescence. For which age to which age we call adolescence? Very good. First, very flat also. How it will affect you in the class environment? That means, how many of you eat only 1 meal a day? Or 2 meals a day? Why?
I am glad to be